Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo. In this video, I would like to share how to do Poisson regression analysis in Excel and R. There is one reference site I have used for this video clip. I suggest you to visit this site to learn more about Poisson regression analysis. I have prepared simple data. There's a Y variable, which means counting number of events which we are interested in. There are two X variables which are hospital and births, and column B is for design metrics. In our program, you can get the Poisson regression analysis output by GLM function with Poisson family option. Then you can get these regression coefficients and related information. GLM function in our program uses iteratively reweighted least squares to fit the model. Right, let me show you how to do Poisson regression analysis in Excel. Right, this is a probability mass function for Poisson distribution. You can define mu like this, and t means exposure period. So let's say t as 1 in this video, and this is log likelihood formula, right? So this one is first mu, can be calculated by exponential of b0 plus b1 coefficients times hospital plus b2 coefficients times birth. Okay. Right. So we're going to use a solver, and let's set let's say b0, b1, b2 as 0 as an initial value. Right. Then y times log mu can be calculated by y times log of mu and log of y factorial right. Then log likelihood can be calculated by column F minus column E minus column G. Yeah. Sometimes we ignore the last part because it doesn't have any mu information, I mean lambda information. But in this case, let's include it. All right. Then minus 2 log likelihood. Okay. All right. We want to minimize minus 2 log likelihood by finding optimal coefficients for Poisson regression. So go to Data tab and click Solver and set objective, this one, as minus 2 log likelihood, and changing values from coefficients. Okay. Then click OK. All right, as you can see, it's very similar to our output. I think this is the difference becomes different algorithm. So let's click solver again. Then let's try to find optimal value by clicking solve again. Right. It changes a little bit, and it's very similar to our output. Okay. Right. Then let's get standard error, z value and p value. So in order to get this one, we need to calculate covariance matrix by using this formula. So mu times x and mu times fixed only column part times x data, this one. Then we can apply this formula for other cells. Okay. Then covariance part select 3 by 3 cells here and merge, transpose this one, mu x part, comma, and x parts. So it's actually transpose of x, but we need to use this one. You don't need to transpose it because of dimension. Okay, and inverse. So let's add m inverse, and then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Right. Then standard error is square root of the first diagonal elements. This one is this one. Standard error for B1 is square roots of second diagonal elements. So it's this one, and the third one, square roots of this one. Right. Then Z value coefficient can be calculated by coefficient over standard error. Okay. Right. Then P value is two-sided test, so 2 times 1 minus norm dot s dot dist G value here true. Okay, it's almost same this one. Okay. Right. So as you can see, all 3 coefficients are significant under 5% significance level. So today I wanted to show you how to get Poisson regression coefficients by maximum likelihood method. In the next video, I would like to show you how to calculate related output such as AIC or residual deviance. I hope this video was useful for you to understand how to do Poisson regression analysis in Excel. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.